Aquafingers, the new multi-purpose smooth surface pool broom from Waterco. Introducing the first pool broom specifically designed for fiberglass, tiled and vinyl-lined pools that's gentle on your pool's surface but tough on grime. Made from a unique polymer blend that's more effective than a conventional pool brush. The patented Aquafingers is designed to make pool cleaning easy. Its microfibre cloth has a series of soft, high-density chenilles which creates a large surface area for effective cleaning. Flexible body and curved underbelly ensure that no nooks or crannies are missed and you have more angles of operation. Hydraulic efficient design so it won't slow you down or feel heavy and cumbersome, making sweeping a breeze. Drainage holes allow water to quickly flow out of the microfibre. A reinforced neck ensures superior strength and durability. All it takes is a quick sweep to clean curved corners, ridges, crevices and steps. Aquafingers is so gentle that it can also be used to clean glass fencing, pool coping and windows, leaving the pool and its surrounds sparkling clean. Aquafingers is even perfect for your pool's cover. The new Aquafingers pool broom from Waterco, the only pool broom you will ever need for your smooth surfaced pool. For more information, contact Waterco at www.waterco.com.